in a Transit Connect small van. This is the LX Plus, by the way. 3 backs and the 1000 psi. But what I'm trying to show you is really the footprint with the mounting brackets. You notice that it doesn't have the wheels in the back. So without the mounting bracket, it is extremely small, this space. I'd say it's about 3 feet or so in depth. These are tons of savings. And this particular van still has seats with lots of room, not even moved up. And this is just a small van. So like if you really had to, you could do it. But then again, you know, with this, you're gonna have vacuum hoses and all that. So there's still gonna be room needed. And if you had a generator and diesel heater or whatever, that's gonna take up some space. But that's just to give you an idea as to how much you can actually save in the depth. Like, so that part can be used for storing something else. You can even put a generator back there if you had vent down to the bottom. Yeah.
Come check us out at magicwandcompany.com.